Hello, I'm Kim, your positive shift navigator. Did you know your thoughts shape your reality? That's why affirmations, positive statements spoken in the present tense, are such a powerful tool for transformation. Affirmations work by helping you rewire your brain, shifting negative beliefs into empowering ones. When you say them consistently, your mind starts to accept them as truth, creating a positive mindset that fuels your confidence and success. To get the most out of your affirmations, say them regularly throughout your day and as often as needed. Speak with conviction and focus. Believe in your words. Use a mirror and visualize them as your reality. Stick with them for 30 to 60 days or until they feel natural. You can use affirmations from trusted sources or create your own. Just remember, keep them positive, phrase them in the present tense, start with I or a strong, empowering word. Make them short, simple, and memorable. Here are a few affirmations to get you started. I am confident and loved. I trust myself and my decisions. I deserve success and happiness. Wonderful things unfold before me. I am worthy of love and success. I embrace my uniqueness and confidence. I attract positivity and abundance. I am strong, resilient, and capable. I forgive myself and grow from my past. Your words have power. Start using affirmations today and watch how your mindset transforms. And if you like this video, hit the like button below. Feel free to leave a comment, or if you have a question, leave that in the comment section. And I look forward to seeing you later. Bye.